Gold-plated HDMI cables ensure superior signal quality, corrosion resistance, and reliable high-definition audio and video transmission over time. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hiwings HDMI cable. Supporting 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, it delivers stunningly sharp visuals, rendering every particle in detail with remarkable accuracy. With a bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second, 6 gigabytes per second, video playback is seamless, eliminating dropped frames or stuttering, while maintaining full backward compatibility with HDMI 2.0 divided by 2.0 divided by 1.4 divided by 1.3 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.1 standards. Gamers will appreciate the advanced game mode and variable refresh rate support, which maximizes GPU and CPU performance to produce smoother, highly detailed graphics. Built for durability, the cable features reinforced anti-bending tails and military-grade tensile nylon, ensuring long-term reliability even with frequent use. Hiwings' meticulous testing process guarantees that each component meets exacting performance standards, resulting in a flawless, high-performance HDMI solution. Combining cutting-edge technology, robust construction, and exceptional visual fidelity, this cable is ideal for gaming enthusiasts, cinephiles, and anyone seeking a superior, future-proof HDMI connection. Now our second product is PowerBear HDMI cable. This 4K HDMI cable delivers reliable, high-quality performance for home and office entertainment setups. Supporting 4K video at 60 Hz, 2K, and 1080p resolutions, it provides stunning visuals with 48-bit HDR color depth. Audio is equally impressive, with True HD 7.1 support, audio return channel, eARC, and Ethernet functionality. Built with premium 30WG copper wire and triple tin shielding, wrapped in durable double-braided nylon, the cable ensures minimal interference and long-lasting durability. Gold-plated, corrosion-resistant connectors guarantee stable, high-fidelity transmission for both video and audio. With an 18 gigabits per second ultra-high-speed transfer rate, it maintains seamless connectivity and is fully backward compatible with HDMI 1.3 divided by 1.4 divided by 2.0 divided by 2.0 as standards, not for 8K. Its universal design works flawlessly with Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Apple TV, PS5, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, laptops, monitors, projectors, and more, making it a versatile solution for any setup. At 10 feet, 3 meters long and 0.24 inches thick, this cable combines flexibility, durability, and premium performance for smooth, high-definition audio-visual experiences. Our third product is SOX HDMI cable. The SOX 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is a state-of-the-art solution for ultimate home entertainment and gaming setups. Supporting 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it handles 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz/144 Hz, 5K, 2K, and 1080p resolutions with full HDR10, Dolby Vision, and 48-bit deep color, ensuring every image is vibrant and lifelike. Audio is equally advanced with Dolby Atmos DTS, X, Dolby True HD 7.1, eARC support, and Dynamic HDR, providing immersive cinema-quality sound. Features like ALLM, VRR, QMS, and QFT optimize gaming and streaming experiences with low latency and smooth frame delivery. Built with 28 AWG copper wire, triple tin shielding, double-braided premium nylon, and gold-plated corrosion-resistant connectors, it guarantees long-lasting durability and flawless signal transmission. Fully backward compatible with earlier HDMI versions, 2.0 divided by 2.0 divided by 2.0 divided by 1.4 divided by 1.3, and universally compatible with consoles, Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Apple TV, PCs, laptops, monitors, and projectors. This cable is versatile and reliable. The 6-foot, 2-pack set provides convenience and flexibility, making it an essential upgrade for home or office setups. Now number 4, Monster HDMI cable. The Monster 4K certified HDMI cable delivers premium performance for home entertainment, gaming, and content creation. Supporting ultra-fast 21 gigabits per second transfer speeds and 60/120 Hz refresh rates. It ensures smooth, blur-free visuals across Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, and other 4K-ready devices. Its high-speed design supports 8 to 10-bit color depth and lossless digital audio, producing vibrant, immersive video and crystal-clear sound. Built with gamers and creators in mind, it is fully compatible with PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Nintendo consoles, and more. The ultra-flexible Duraflex jacket simplifies installation and routing while providing long-term protection. V-Grip technology secures a solid connection behind any display, and heavy-duty triple-layer shielding blocks interference for consistent signal performance. Corrosion-resistant 24K gold contacts ensure durability and optimal transmission over time. Perfect for home theaters, gaming setups, or professional workspaces, this HDMI cable combines reliability, longevity, and superior audiovisual quality, making it an essential accessory for anyone seeking flawless 4K experiences. And our last choice is Silkland HDMI cable. This HDMI 2.1 cable delivers cutting-edge performance for gamers, content creators, and home theater enthusiasts. Uniquely certified, verified via QR code. This cable ensures true HDMI 2.1 compliance, a distinction held by only 1% of market offerings. With ultra-high refresh rates, it supports smooth 4K at 120 Hz gameplay on PS5 and Xbox, and lightning-fast 4K at 144 Hz on PC, enabling responsive, blur-free visuals for competitive gaming and immersive experiences. Exclusive E-braid technology combines double-layer fishnet winding with nylon braiding, while copper cores and ferrite beads maintain uninterrupted signal integrity, eliminating flicker and black screens. Supporting 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it handles next-level resolutions, 8K at 60 Hz, 10K, 5K at 120 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz with 12-bit color depth. Advanced audio formats, including DTS, X, and Dolby Atmos, are supported alongside eARC/ARC for rich, immersive sound. Dynamic HDR further enhances visual fidelity, delivering vibrant, lifelike colors. Robust, reliable, and future-proof, this HDMI 2.1 cable elevates gaming, streaming, and professional setups to an unparalleled level of performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.